Okay, y'all, this is a recap of the transformations for those two, the parent function of the quadratic. F of x is equal to x squared. Okay, so I've already written them down here. I just want to go over them so that you can see as I'm going over them what it is. And remember, just use this for your assignment and you will do well on it. Okay, so if your A is a negative, it's going to open the graph down. If it's positive, it's going to open it up. If A is between 0 and 1, meaning if it's fractional, a fractional number, then it's going to make the graph wider, okay? Let's put this behind there. Oh gosh, quit. Okay. Now I just messed all this up. It looked so cute a while ago. The graph is going to be wider. If A is greater than 1, the graph is going to be narrower. Okay. All right. So there's all of that. Now let's talk about B. I'll go back and fix that here in a minute. If B is between 0 and 1, meaning if it's a fractional number, the graph is going to be wider. If B is greater than 1, the graph is going to be narrower. Remember, A and B can fight against each other. C. If C is positive, it moves the graph to the left. It moves it opposite of what you think it's going to do. Inside the parentheses is C, and if C is negative, it moves the graph to the right. Again, it's opposite of what you think it's going to be. All right, and then D. D, if it's positive, it moves the graph up, moves the vertex up. If D is negative, it moves the vertex of the graph down. The whole graph moves along with the vertex. That vertex is that moving point of that graph, okay? All right, that made it a little bit better, I think. Okay. All right. Hopefully you don't have any questions on this. This is a pretty quick video here. And it's just a recap of everything that we've been saying. And hopefully you'll be able to see those transformations whenever you do, whenever you look at those. Okay? All right. I hope this helps. All right, good luck on your assignment. Have this one open when you're doing your assignment. It will help you, I promise. Okay.